Hey there, and welcome to your grammar learning journey. If you've been wondering how English sentences work or why words are used in certain ways, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about one of the most basic and important topics in grammar: nouns. Let me explain it in the simplest way possible. What is a noun? A noun is simply a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. It's one of the first things we learn when we start speaking because nouns are everywhere in our daily life. Think about it. Can you name someone? That's a noun. Can you point to something or somewhere? Noun again. Can you feel or think about something? That too a noun. Nouns as people. Examples: teacher, doctor, child, mother, Rahul, Aisha. The doctor is kind. Aisha sings beautifully. Nouns as places. Examples: school, garden, Mumbai, beach, kitchen. We went to the beach. He lives in Mumbai. Nouns as things. Examples: phone, apple, chair, toy, bag. This chair is broken. He forgot his phone. Nouns as ideas. These are things you can't see or touch, but you know they exist. Examples: love, honesty, fear, freedom. Love makes life meaningful. Freedom is a basic right. Types of nouns, with easy examples. Let's quickly explore the main types of nouns you'll often use. Common nouns. General names of things. Book, girl, dog. The girl is reading a book. Proper nouns. Specific names, always capitalized. India, John, Coca-Cola. John is from India. Concrete nouns. Things you can see, touch. Pen, table, juice. The pen is blue. Abstract nouns. Feelings, qualities, or ideas. Happiness, courage, honesty. Courage helps us move forward. Collective nouns. Groups of people or things. Team, family, bunch, class. The class is quiet today. Countable nouns. Things you can count. Apples, bottles, pens. She has 5 apples. Uncountable nouns. Things you cannot count individually. Water, air, information. Water is essential for life. Quick test: fill in the blanks. My is very soft. They live in. Is important in life. Think, pillow, deli, kindness. Try your own too. So now you know what nouns are and how important they are in every sentence. From names to emotions, everything we talk about starts with this little powerhouse part of speech. Drop your sentence in the comments if you want me to check it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing, you're doing great. See you in the next video.